Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be using the team we built in the previous video with the specs KYUREM and Blizzard, as well as the support from Slowking and Chill Reception, all that fun stuff. It's going to be in the description if you want to use it yourself. So we're going to be laddering a little bit today. What are we leading this? Alright, let me think. So there's the Gliscor that's gonna always check my Zapdos, I feel, depending on the spread, right? If it's like Fizz Dev, because it should be Fizz Dev in this at the spread dev Primarina, I feel. Blaziken doesn't look bad. But not incredible either. I have the knockoff for Latios, which is quite nice. And my Blizzard's the strongest. Maybe Freezer is better. But there's a King Gambit. I think I'm gonna lead Samurott. Where's the Miscarada? Alright. I'm gonna definitely scout for a Scarf. I wanna lose my Pokemon turn 1, yeah. Yeah. And we can drop a little Hurricane on the Great Tusk apparently. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's have the damage calculator open. I should leave any hit because of our speed def investment, so I can Thunder Wave you, which is quite nice. And then I can Volt Switch out into my Samurott. Start getting some spikes down. It's gonna be important versus King Gambit and such. So he goes Primarina. 27 is not bad at all. We go into our Slowking, more likely on flip turn. He goes for the Draining Kiss, interesting stuff. We're gonna fuse the site. Probably on King Gambit come in. But he goes Gliscor instead. I should leave any hit. I'm gonna chill out with a spike down. Okay. There's a free I could go Zapdos and Hurricane. I'll go Blizzard. Blizzard is a guaranteed kill basically. Excadrill in there and Rapid Spin is also something I could do depending on the set, because Spikes, Earthquake are must, Protect is probably must, and then Toxic I think. Let's try Excadrill. I'll try to remove the hazards. Maybe that was stupid. We'll find out. There's Miscarada. Alright. Might be Scarf. Earthquake it anyway. Should live. I'll kill you and outspeed everyone. Can go back to drill, but now I can get my rocks up. And by drill I mean Gliscor. Alright, and I can still go in my KYUREM and click Blizzard. Freestyle is not bad at all, but I'm gonna click Blizzard anyway because it's strong as fuck. Terra Water wouldn't make sense here because I can just freestyle for free. And King Gambit would also not make sense because it's your Wingo at this point. I feel. So he goes Primarina, this makes the most sense. Should be able to kill that easily. Never mind. That is EV as fuck. Alright. I'm gonna go into our Slowking again. More likely gonna pivot into King Gambit or Latios apparently. Wow, he's trying to trick me. I don't care very much. Aura Sphere. Okay, bro. Gonna try to heal our Zapdos. Don't think that's gonna kill me. Let's continue doing that. I could in theory go back to full, and I will do it on the turn that he gets paralyzed. The reason I'll do it is because I want to have Zapdos alive to help me versus King Gambit. Yeah, that might be nice. Yes. So we're gonna Volt Switch out here. Do my Slowking. Slowking is gonna fuse the site. Primarina comes in for no reason. And then we're gonna Chili. And we're gonna position ourselves, Jesus guys, I can't speak, ourselves correctly with Samurott. Samurott doesn't really invite King Gambit. Okay, I guess he can go King Gambit there. I do have the Blaziken in the back, survive a hit. The Katao doesn't do shit. Gonna go for another one. As he goes have Gliscor. This takes a little bit too much. Going for another one. Shoot out of water. He shoot out of water. Yeah. It's fine. Ah, he misses. Okay. Alright, let's go Chili. Let's just go Chili. Oof. That was a good earthquake. Interesting, interesting. Are you gonna toxic too? Okay, no. That was a good ass earthquake. We're gonna volt switch out. He sacks King Gambit, so this game is over. Nothing to worry about. But it's gonna go KYUREM and click freeze try twice. Let's get another game. Let's get another game. Oops, not bad. Kizaru. Alright. Look at this. GG. And then we have this game. Full team. What are we liking this? Blaziken doesn't look bad at all. I don't have Earthquake. I don't have oh, I do have knockoff. Okay, good. X-Cattle ground immunity does not exist, which is quite nice. And Terra Dragon might be useful. Terra Dragon might as well be useful here. So I'm gonna leave with it. Where's Golden go? Are you air balloon? You're not. So I can just earthquake for free. He either goes Arcanine, Arcanine, yeah. He either goes Serperior or Great Tusk. He goes Serp. I'm gonna go Hard Zapdos, which is good for exposed Glare and Leaf Storm. I'm actually gonna Volt Switch out. I don't think you should ever stay on a air gain. Perfect. That looks to be offensive. Gonna go Drill. Might be Choice Scarf. Nope, he's not. Means we Earthquake, yeah. On Serp again, okay. Back to Zapdos again. Now I'm switching it up a little bit with a Hurricane. There you go. We switched it up and we got rewarded. Not bad. Not bad. He should go here, either Heatran or Valen to kill me. I don't know how much speed he has on the Golden Go. The way he's going into it kinda says that he has a lot. Might be Scarf too. I don't think you Focus Blast ever here. You would never kill Zapdos. Sort makes sense. Gonna flip turn. I don't want to invite Great Tusk in to spin and such for free. Not bad. Then we're gonna get our KYUREM. And my KYUREM is gonna click Earth Power. The balloon. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's go back to Samurott. I'm gonna get some hazards now. Damn it, bro. That was annoying. He goes back to task again. But I could, like, from one water week to another. Very interesting stuff. I'll go back to Zapdos here. Hopefully we get a little static. We do not. Shoot up Ice. Ice Spinner. Or knockoff, I guess. So there goes my shit. Very annoying. Very annoying for sure. I'm gonna spin on knockoff. I don't think you ever go Golden on this. Let's be by them. Let's be by them. A little bit too difficult for my taste. I'm still winning with Blaziken, but as long as he can tear, it's annoying. Let's do one Terra here. The EQ. Earthquake should kill. He might go Tran though. But I don't think I can afford to. Ah, fuck, bro. I can. So I'm thinking, I'm between two things. One of them is Ironhead, expecting the Hitchan switch, which would be a great mid count on Earthquake that kills. Ironhead shouldn't kill. Or it might be close. And the other play was, but that has a downside that if he just stays in an Earthquake and he leaves, then I have to eat an Earthquake from somebody else. But my KYUREM can leave an Earthquake from Great Task, so it's not the end of the world if I don't get this play right. Where if I Earthquake on the Hitchan, I then have to switch into the Hitchan that can Magma Storm and get the rocks up that I really try to remove for my KYUREM and rocks. So now we Earthquake, he spends his Terra, it's quite nice for us. It's quite nice for us. Nice for us. We're gonna get some spikes, and I think we can close the game soon. Goes roll on walls, which is excellent. We don't go. Okay. We're gonna position ourselves correctly with KYUREM in this turn. I don't want to lose my Samurott because it's Shadowball resist. The Volt Switch. This doesn't invite very much. It only invites Valiant or Goldego, I feel. Goldego comes in. Probably Specs. We're gonna pivot into Slow King, see what we're dealing with. Oh, they make it rain. Excellent. Now I'm gonna be able to chili. This is a Feast of Rotom. I need 2 speed boosts with Blaziken to outspeed Valiant. So we're going KYUREM. Ice Assist is Goldego at this point. Freeze Eye. Plus the Spike is more likely a Scarf Goldego, the way he's been playing it. Alright, even more damage. Very nice. He shoots out a wall here, so I'm going Samurott. Yeah, I think I'm going Samurott. Yes, I'll even hit with Samurott anyway, unless it's Focus Blast or Dazzling Gleam or Thunderbolt, I guess. But yeah, he goes for that. He has a Sped Death Chop, which is a little bit annoying. The flip. Do I flip? Or do I just let the Rotom come in? I think I let the Rotom come in, yeah. And by Rotom now I mean Great Tusk. He goes Valiant instead. Very interesting. I want to see what this does. Because it might be SD. SD is the most threatening set you can be right here. Knockoff is gonna kill me, isn't it? How did I not see that, bro? How did I not see that? How was I so ignorant that I did not see that? I need to keep either my Terra or something, bro. How did I not fucking see that? That's crazy. Hopefully we get it. Nah, we lose. How did I not fucking see that I'm getting swept? I don't understand how I did that. GG. Holy fuck, I'm stupid. I don't know why. I thought I had my Terra. Why did I waste my Terra on drill? Oh, that was such a misplay by me. That was such a fucking misplay. I felt pressure by the fucking task, and I wasted my Terra. I wasn't aware that I get swept until very late. Jesus Christ, but that was stupid. Which was still fine, but I just had to go for the Blaziken sweep earlier since I was getting swept by SD Valiant. But it just slipped. SD knockoff slipped through my air and didn't recognize it. Okay, that sucked. That else sucked, not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna go with Samurod lead, I guess, versus Treads. Proposing Samurod. I didn't lead Excadil because Excadil wins the Treads matchup, but doesn't lead well versus Samurod. Gonna fucking die in one hit. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on, man. Now close combat. Zama. Takes a shit ton of damage. Yeah, that's what I should have done before too. But I'm dumb as fuck. Close combat you as well. Is he gonna go Samurod? It's get me out with Aqua Jet or something? Like, what's the plan? I can just protect versus it. Where do you even go? Where do you even go on this Pokemon? You need to go somewhere in Terra. Man, I should have done, like, it was fine to do the Terra with Excadil, but then I had to recognize, okay, I'm getting swept here. Maybe we should not, like, mess around and just go Blaziken immediately to get the speed boost. That's what I should have done. That's a different team. Blaziken with Life Orb versus KYUREM. Let's say Terra Ground, sure, whatever. Okay. If I Terra Fighting right here, do I kill you one? There's a very good chance I do. Jesus, bro. Okay, that would be insane. It would be insane. I mean, I don't really have a better play, do I? There you go. Not bad. Not bad. Because that shit was scary. I'm -4 or some shit. Where's King Gambit? Yeah, I get nuked. Let's go drill. Did you get Tau? No, he went for the Sucker Bounce, okay. Golden Ghost should be Air Balloon. So I'm gonna double out. Goes back to Samurod, interesting. Gotta protect versus you, see what we're dealing with. Scarf Razor Cell is coming, okay. I'm going straight with my KYUREM. My KYUREM is gonna click a stronger Draco. Okay, good 51. This is a tough Pokemon, bro. It goes Zapdos. And then I'll switch again in trades. An Earthquake. As he goes Golden Go, he wasted his speed boost. We're going to march Slowking here on the Shadow Ball. This does a shit ton of damage. I'll be able to chili. I'm very afraid of the fucking Gambit, bro. I'm very afraid. So instead of going Gambit, I'm gonna go Zapdos, Full Switch out, break the balloon. Yeah, because I was afraid I play like shit now. Look who I invited. Gotta go with my Excadrill. Just for that. Earth Power U. It leaves. Get the static, but it doesn't matter. It still outspeeds. He gets the rocks up. And I lose the fucking Gambit. Oh. Bro. I need to add Terra Fairy somewhere. That's what I've realized. I need to add Terra Fairy somewhere. Because I'm very pressured with these. So I'm gonna make you Terra Fairy for the Sucker Punch resist and the Fighting resist versus Valiant. I feel that's gonna help. Yeah. So I'm gonna Volt Switch out. Doesn't Drill live this shit? 4 times assist, right? Do I live that shit? I don't remember, bro. We'll find out. Yeah, I knew it. Bro, I'm so stupid. Okay, I'm not. I'm a god, actually. So you do some damage on the Samurott. Spin would have been nice. There it is. Spin's nice. Yeah, definitely Earthquake. I was considering rocks. Maybe they will help with King Gambit, but they don't really. Why do you do that, bro? You have a King Gambit in the back. King Gambit can always sweep. King Gambit can always fucking sweep. The problem with this is that I'm having Blaziken, which is nice, right? It's a beast of a Pokemon. It's a goat. But it's so defensively weak that I can still get, but even if I resist the Sucker Punch at +2, I can still die in one hit. That's my problem with it. Which leads to another problem. Do I Samurott Secret Sword over Razor Shell or over knockoff? Then I don't have knockoff of the Samurott, but I do have knockoff of the Blaziken if I really want to get rid of items. Yes, let's do that. Let's do that. Excuse me. Alright, let's see how we're gonna play this out. We saw STDs, Terra Fairy, leftovers and such. Rotom is defensive. This is a knockoff Great Tusk, Earthquake, and then there is a Golden that is Scarf. I led with Samurott last time. I'm gonna leave it Slowking this one. Perfect. There's a free as. Oh, no, Fute Sight. As it goes to the substitute versus Slowking. How do you know I'm not this sludge or something, bro? How do people know? Either way, he should clear here. And then he should clear the next Pokemon coming in. I think I'll go Blaziken, Protect, break the balloon with him, break the substitute with him. Unless we get Paralyzed here, then that would be the end of the game. Yeah. So unfortunate. Okay, it's not the end of the game, but it sucks so much because now he can literally stay and clear me. Which he shouldn't, but he might. Anyway, I Blizzard anyway. We don't give a shit. You're gonna try to stall me? What is he trying to do? What is the game plan here? He goes with the Dragon Balls plus the Dragon Balls. Doesn't do shit. We kill the Serp, which is nice. Earthquake resists are getting nuked. Shidon comes in. Another Earthquake resist nuked. Now we gotta switch first this monster. These guys, my voice today is like so off. I want to keep Zapdos alive because it's gonna be a great check to Valen and shit, but at the same time I probably have to pivot into it. Because if I go Slowking, he can Magma Storm and Taunt me. And then I lose my whole ass Slowking. Do I need Slowking is the question? Probably not, now that I think of it. He goes back to Tom. Sure, I guess. I'll just fuse side. And back to Chan. And back to Para. As he goes for that. And now he should Magma Storm try and trap me. That would be the logical play. Do I sack my KYUREM? Is KYUREM even needed anymore? Probably not. Would be KYUREM. Maybe even misses. Let's see. It doesn't. That's fine though. Do we go Blaziken? I don't think you should have Protect on this. Because you're Air Balloon. You might have a Fairy. So I'm gonna protect myself. If you Terra Fairy, then he's gonna take more damage from future side. And if he stays in like that, he dies to knockoff. He dies to close combat. Yeah. He takes shit ton of damage from future side. Like 30? 32. Not bad. I don't want to go hard drill, bro. Hard drill is such a risky play. I'll go hard Slowking. Yeah, that's why I didn't go into it. Future side again, bro. He didn't told me. He didn't, this guy didn't fucking told me. It's crazy. Back to the boy. How much Tusk? Fire Blast. Naive. For special attack. Fire Blast. Doesn't do enough to Blaziken. Do Tusk. What about Hitchan? Special defensive with that Fairy. That should do enough. So we're gonna go into Blaziken again. I'm gonna protect. Put him in range of my shit. Blaziken is close to sweeping. I did way too much. Wash. Yeah, you're getting destroyed by this. I don't think you live this at all. Even if I protect leftovers. Who's Golden Go? Do what? This is Scarf Golden Go. Choice Scarf Golden Go. I'm gonna Fire Blast. Bro, I got my ass predicted. Jesus Christ, bro. Hitchan. Is that a Fairy? That was stupid on me. I had Terra open all this time. Man, I'm getting my ass predicted in this shit. I'm getting my fucking ass predicted in this. Jesus fucking Christ, look at this damage. Gotta get this play right. Right, we got it right. I'm gonna predict the Great Tusk. Now let it spin for free versus me. He doesn't know how much speed I have. He sacks Rodom. Oh, he didn't die. You did have a lot of free step though. Yes, which means you're slow. Exactly. Gonna go Samurott right here. Because Samurott can flip then versus Great Tusk. Now Great Tusk is in the range of my Blaziken. My Blaziken gets sweep. The question is, do I Razor Shell, die to this, and then I go Blaziken, protect once, and then win? I don't think I win because there is a Hichan again healthy. So I still can't win with this shit. Because the Hichan is a little bit too healthy. But a static here would be great. There you go. I don't want to lose my item. I'm gonna sack some road. Blaziken versus you. I need rocks and I think you die with your Hichan. I need rocks and I think you die. But can I get swept by fucking Shadow Ball if I don't click Earthquake here? I might. He goes this. He gets crit. I'll be able to just switch into my Zapdos. I don't think that was the play at all. Or even Terra Fairy. I don't. I don't think that was the play at all. I'm keeping this Pokemon alive. I'm keeping this Pokemon alive because otherwise I can get swept by the Earthquake, the fucking Air Balloon Drill. What is happening, bro? What are you doing? You were playing great all this time. Why are you doing that shit? Come on. Yeah. At least we hit here. Roost once. Let's see what we're doing. I do have some speed on this. That's Power Gem. Brother. Oh shit, I'm just gonna volt switch out. Yeah, I'm just gonna volt switch out. I don't care. I'm gonna volt switch out, and the reason is I can spin block with this now. When it dies, I can spin block with it. How much is my Blaziken gonna take from Power Gem Golden? What is happening, bro? Power Gem. That shouldn't do anything to my Blaziken, especially if I Terra Fairy. But I don't have rocks. I don't have my rocks yet to shoot with him. I'm just gonna go drill. Gotta get the bitches up. As he goes for the gem, which is excellent. So now Hichan is in range. All I have to do is sack my this. I don't even need to stay in and such. All I have to do is sack my Zapdos right here. Okay, what? The fuck? Bro, I'm gonna lose the fucking Golden again. Okay, no. What is happening, bro, in this game? What is man doing? He's not gonna. He's not gonna win. I'm winning this. I'm winning this. I'm not fucking losing. There you go. And then we kill 3 Hichans with this Terra Fighting Close Combat. Way too close for no reason. Way too fucking close for no reason. Jesus Christ. Alright, leave me alone. Good game though. That's a good game with this guy. This one was a little bit more I don't know what's happening, why you're doing some turns, but I think it benefit me. Alright, not that bad. Should we get one last? Let's get one last. Let's get one last. Alright. Final game, we're dealing with Hippowdon and Hoopa. Alright, that's interesting. I like that shit. How are we supposed to play this? Like, Blaziken doesn't look bad at all. KYUREM also looks like very difficult for them to switch, but then I have to deal with a Hoopa. Hoopa is a monster. I think I'm gonna lead Samurott, which I find it versus most of his Pokemons, and Hoopa. It invites the Skarmory, and I can Blizzard versus Skarmory. Yeah, I can just Blizzard versus Skarmory. He goes Walking Wake. I'm just gonna flip that over to you. My Slowking. If he goes Skarmory, even better. His Scarf, flip and Walking Wake. This is some other shit. I don't know what to say. This is some other shit. Skarmory gets nuked. The special Blaziken. Alright, that doesn't count as the last game. Again, you. I hate playing the same people again and again because it's not even pure skill after, it's just mind games. Us knowing the sets and how we both kind of play. That's why I hate playing with the same people again and again. I'm gonna lead KYUREM this time because Serperior was his thing last time. He goes Rotom Wash. This is a free Blizzard. This is a free Draco actually, which is gonna do a lot more to Golden Go. It also destroys this. It hits Heatran. It only doesn't hit Valiant. Oh, it also misses. Yeah, that's one thing that can happen. I'm gonna predict you Shadow Ball. You know the Draco, get my damage. Thank you. So at least we got it now for 38% of our HP on the KYUREM. Good Rotom switch. That was a nice Rotom switch. He should always Volt switch. I'm gonna flip turn. You know, this is a Feast Death Rotom. If KYUREM was a little bit healthier, I would go into it. He goes for this, which is actually great for me. Because it allows me to chili right here and not lose momentum. And now I cannot get cleared either from Serp. He goes Tan. Let's go. You. Close combat the Chan. I'm not gonna think about Terras. I don't give a shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna click. Yep. I don't give a shit about Terra possibility. I cannot bother. Wash comes out. Wash comes out. Back to Slowking. Or the Volt Switch. This allows Task or Golden to come in. Violet is a little bit of a grief. Serp is also a little bit of a grief. Because we just fuse the side here, the substitute. Alright. Okay, I can consider that. Leaf Storm, Terra Steel. Dragon Pulse, and then what? Either way, it doesn't matter. Let's go Blaziken. Protect. Unless Future Sight doesn't break this up, but I think it should, like it's a Future Sight. It should do 25. Right? Yeah, good. Not bad. Come on, man, I need one last game. These are not games. Alright. Final game, we have Sandy Sox offense, which is interesting, I guess. How do I lead versus Sandy Sox? Let's Blizzard them. That's the thing about Blizzard, like, it's not spammable. I need a fucking chill reception to have something spammable. And then if he just, like, Freezer is not strong. Goes for the speed boost, but he's not gonna do very much damage to me anyway. This can freeze. I have a very safe exit switch, so I'm expecting him to just chilly, yeah. Into Uzama. Yeah. And I have a very safe switch into Zama as well. Nice Zapdos. Because of the roar. Not gonna reveal the set. Ouch. That was a good play by them. Gonna go KYUREM here. Click my Blizzard. I could Terra, but I always regret using Terra offensively. I always regret it. Like, I would have killed, but I always end up fucking regretting. So I much rather risk Blizzard miss. Doing this shit, but yeah, there you go. That's why we didn't flip that last time. Conditioning. That's why we didn't fucking flip the last time. So we just spin here. Hopefully we don't deal with the Terra Ghost. Perfect. Really nice. It was some other Terra, like Terra Ice or Terra Fairy. But anyway, I'll just start quick Q. I think it was D-Knight. Which is a weird ass play. I'm just gonna Iron hit the D-Knight. Because this does a lot. Mold Breaker goes through multi-scale. And one flinch and it's game over. Yeah. Let's see you roar. I wanna see that roar. Click that roar this time. Yeah, I bet you won't. I thought. Here again, the Sandy Sox and kill it. Never mind. That sucks. Or maybe we can kill it now. Well, that sucks. Alright. I need this Zapdos healthy. Yeah, well, alright. Okay, 2 hearing and misses, that's fine. They didn't want to kill this Sox anyway. I wanted to suck my whole ass team to kill it. Oh, this is special. Zapdos, you're a beast. My boy lived. My boy fucking lived. I don't need drill for anything else. I'm just gonna spin. Knock off. Okay, bro. I'm just gonna spin with it. Don't need it anymore. This is a weird asset. I don't understand what you're cooking with this shit. Alright, so we're gonna do this. Sack Zapdos, get some HP on the Slowking. Or, oh, even better. So we got some HP for free, didn't even sack. Then I positioned with KYUREM, which invites a Magenta, which invites my Slowking that I healed. With crunch. Yeah, crunch again. Yeah, Nuzzle static. There you go. Didn't even need it because KYUREM lives. So all I had to do is chill reception, leave the shit, and then I click Blizzard 3 times. Alright. GG. Alright, we won this one. Alright, we won quite a bit. Not bad. We did climb quite a bit. Nice. Blaziken slot is debatable. You could maybe do Gouging Fire. You maybe could do Zamazenta. It is debatable. Like maybe Zamazenta would make the team a little bit better. But then it would lose the sauce. Anyway, up to you. I'll leave it as Blaziken. Team wasn't bad at all. But something a little bit more consistent that provides a little bit more defensive utility would make sense. Like Zamazenta can solve a little bit the roaring moon issue, because I can Terra Steel, Terra Flag, and then close combat, roar, all that fun stuff. Heavy Duty Boots roar set I'm talking about, right? Like the one my opponent used. It would solve King Gambit issue, because Zamazenta is never gonna get destroyed by King Gambit. Like if you wanna make this a tournament team and not just have, you know, use some fun stuff too, then probably Zamazenta is the guy here. Heavy Duty Boots, Close Combat, Crunch, Heavy Slam, and Roar. With Terra Steel, I would go. But if you want to keep it like this, I think it's perfectly fine. You just make a little bit, your defense a little bit weaker, but you add more offense. So yeah, leave it in the description. Use it however you like. That's the video. Hope you like it. Bye bye everyone. Peace.